Hey, my name is Melanie Chavis and it's DIY Wednesday. I'm going to teach you how to make your own foaming hand soap. Right now, doTERRA's On Guard foaming hand soap is not available, so we are going to make our own. First thing you need is a foaming hand soap pump dispenser. I buy these metal ones from Amazon. You can also get plastic or glass. The safe plastic is HDPE plastic. And doTERRA's foaming hand soap dispensers, you can just reuse your old ones of those. So the first thing we need is 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. Okay. And then 2 tablespoons of Castile soap, unscented. Dr. Bronner's is what I always use. And then about 10 to 15 drops of the On Guard oil. So I will use about 15. Okay. And then you just add water. I just use water from the sink. Oh, a little salt came out. So that's it. You shake it on up. And voila, you got your own On Guard foaming hand soap. Easy peasy. I will post the recipe in the comments. Hope you have a wonderful day.